After 2000 came 2001. To be the new champions, we were there for 2 months. From springtime in Arizona till fall in Monterey. And the raceways were the battlefields on Farnham all the way. Was at Phoenix in the morning, I had a wake-up call. She went around without a warning, put me in the wall. I drove Long Beach, California with 3 cracked vertebrae. We went on to Indianapolis, Indiana in a May. Well, the brickyard's there to crucify anyone who will not learn. I climbed a mountain to qualify, went flat through the turn. But I was down in the mountains and an old pal get us down. And I sat down and got so late at the end I cried. Well, we were in at the Killigan on the Milwaukee Mile. And in June up in Michigan we robbed at Belle Isle. And it was on to Portland, Oregon for the G.I. Joe.